Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Saint Laurent model, classic SL333 in color code 002. It's a Havana color frame. The shape of this frame is a fashion cat eye. On the temples here we have a Saint Laurent writing in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the serial number. This is the other side of the temple and also has a Saint Laurent writing in silver. The lenses are a gray color. Up here we have a Saint Laurent case to put your glasses in, microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.